Hello everyone, welcome back. We finally reached the last video in our static linear case study series. Today we'll be working on case study 5, staircase in weldments and sheet metal. Let's dive in, and to view the entire series, simply click on the playlist at the top of the video. Let's open Stair and Weldments file. Go to SOLIDWORKS and open, and choose staircase in weldments and sheet metal. Open. Go to Simulation tab and select a new study and choose Static Study. Okay, we apply material. Right click at staircase in weldments and apply material to all bodies. It's AISI 304. Apply and then close. We go to open staircase weldment and right click at surface body and shell manager. We select this face and put 5. Thickness, and note part C are with 5 mm thickness, and we go to the second face and we search, and here 5, and for the others 4. Okay. Close them, and you control them. Okay, and here not defined it, so edit and fix in here, take 5, and the second edit definition the same. Okay, and that's it. We close all them and we go to immovable fixture on joints A. Right click at fixtures and fixed geometry, choose joints and immovable, no translation, and select this and this joint, and in here, and in here, and in here. Okay, we apply force of 900 Newton on B, in here B. Okay, external load and force. Click this face and in here 900. Okay, we go, that's it. So we run this study. Okay, we control that the solid body is beam. Okay, and in here the definition, it's beam. So we close and we run the study. We go right click at stress and edit definition. Okay, what is the maximum axial stress of beams with 3 decimal place? And what is the maximum stress in megapascal on the part highlighted with letter D? In here. Okay, go to SolidWorks and solid and shells. Okay, in here kilograms and Pascal. Okay, and we go to this to stress and use probe. And select on selected entities in this face and here, then here. Updated. Okay, the maximum is 4.253. This is the maximum stress in megapascal on the part highlighted with letter D. Okay, that's it. We go back to stress and edit definition, and in here it shows beams. Okay, back this maximum axial stress of beams with 3 decimal place. Okay, beams new interaxial, and short option show max annotation, and in here floating 3 decimal. Okay. And this is the max is 3.925. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more SolidWorks tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.